guys who wrote them.
No. Do you guys know how to use this
Okay,
camera?
well, they're bigger than me. They're world-class athletes. And a second ago, you said you like guys who wrote them, so I assumed you met them.
I guess I meant I like the idea of it, the way a girl likes cowboys.
I guess. Oh my.
You guys could figure that stuff out. Because honestly, I for sure no.
Would you rather talk about something?
Yeah, sure.
So are you doing all of 3 and 4 or just 3?
3 and what do you say? 3 and 4.
I'm okay with that, yeah. Three and four.
You asked me which one is nice to get into because you think that's where I.
Yeah?
Is that the only part we're going to be doing? Just 3 and 4?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, you don't need to have the whole thing recorded. It's like
because
it's.
what you, sorry. Yeah, he's doing sounds. What he's doing is, we're going to record this, then I'm going to take the sound off, and you guys are going to have to say it all over again and have it within a reasonable sync of what's recorded.
Yeah, but we're going to try and get the sync nice, but I'm going to show you some audio editing techniques where you're going to, the second time around that you record it, I'm going to put maybe you or those two in there. We're going to be in separate, quiet environments. You're going to do it as Anupa said, as reasonable synced up as you can, but after that we're going to go in and edit the audio so that your second recording is perfectly lined up with your original recording.
It's a reasonable lip sync. So, you need to do enough to sell it that you've done some work.
I'm seeing the sunrise behind.